I'm Adam,
I'm Michael.
and this is Endless 4x4. So Endless 4x4 is a rebranded YouTube channel, formerly The Terrain Tourers. We've got our own Facebook page and Instagram page, which should be down the bottom there on the screen. We are all about getting out there, exploring tracks that we haven't done before, tracks that most people haven't done. They might be hard tracks, they could be completely easy tracks. It's about the getting out in nature, seeing things that people haven't seen.
Yeah, the journey of it.
Correct, yes. And bringing it to you guys. So you can see, we can give tips as to where things are, you can ask questions, and hopefully you guys can experience what we experience, and a bit of extra adrenaline in there too, I'm sure. So that's what the channel's going to be all about. There will be the trips, there will be also a bit of build videos, a few build videos. As you can see, we're sitting in the back of Mike's GQ Shorty.
Yep.
You will see on some videos that are going to come out shortly that were taken over the last few years that I've been working on. The GQ is in them, and you'll see what she was like. And in the coming months, you'll see what she's going to become.
When she becomes, yeah.
So
we'll get there.
You got some good ideas. You got some good ideas for us, so that'll be good. But yeah, so enjoy the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't be afraid to comment or send us any messages. More than happy to respond and engage with you guys. And hope you enjoy. Cheers.